or to leave there only, he saw that the man was wounded. He was wounded and probably he was shot at from behind when he escaped captivity. Dr. Sadao could not control himself. Here, a real spirit of the doctor kindled. So he could not control himself, and his duty as a doctor directed him to stop the bleeding wound and takes the man to his home. Finally, he operates him and takes care of him. So here you can see what are the things that he gave the priority to. Though he reared the feelings, the hatred feelings, but still he could not refrain from performing his duty well. And Hannah, though initially she was also reluctant to help him, to assist him, but ultimately she too submitted to her husband's wish and helps him dutifully, as all the servants objected to this act of kindness towards an American. It is important to see that Hannah, she was spy. She also made him understand a lot what is good, what is bad for him. She tried her best to make her husband realize that it may jeopardize his position over there. So she asked him to hand over that man to the police. But being a wife, it was her duty. She realized that it was her duty to contribute, to chip in the best deed, in the good deed of her husband. So somehow she could balance over there. Somehow she controlled her inner feelings and gave in for her husband's wish. Hannah, being responsible and cautious wife, was distressed to see the rebelliousness of the servants in the house. She had a fear. She afraid lest they should not inform some officer that Dr. Sadao had shattered American prisoner. But they took their wages. What did they do? The servants, they just grabbed their salaries, wages, and left the job. Though they all had been working there for a lifetime. Here, see that even the uneducated and poor servants also were not ready. They were not ready to help the prisoner, as he was their enemy. Seeing this situation and seeing his wife struggling hard and how she was in distress, Dr. Sadao promises her of solving the matter soon. And so, on his visit to General, he narrates the entire incident to him. General, he also loved him or trusted him. He assured him that he would help Sadao to rid of this enemy at night. Means he had some secret plan, or perhaps he would send some killers to kill him. So finally, Dr. Sadao was waiting for the assassins to come. But they did not reach there, and he got tired of waiting them. So finally he decided to get rid of that prisoner himself. What did he do? He helped him escape by providing information as to the way to escape. Are you getting it? It is important. How he is balancing his duty as a doctor and as an individual man. So he provided all the information regarding the place and how to escape, and all the necessary things that were required. He provided all those things to the man. and now he was just waiting for him to escape. On the next visit to General, Sadao tells him that the American had escaped. The general recalls that he had failed to send the assassins, which was not due to the lack of patriotism. He gives this reason that it was not the lack of the patriotism or the lack of performing his duty, means there was no dereliction of his duty, but because simply because he had been absorbed in his own affairs, in his own things, in his own other tasks to perform. So Dr. Sadao also got the valid reason, and General also he was trying to give his situation a position in rectifying way. Dr. Sadao realizes that he is safe and is thankful to General. Why? Just think. For two reasons. One, he vented his tension regarding sheltering a POW, means prisoner of war, and got the solution from General himself. Second, General could not send assassin, a man to kill, on time, so he helped him to escape. The servants in the house returned as the story progresses. Okay, now there was no tension, there was no fear in the home, so they returned to their job, and gradually everything goes back to the normal. The doctor hates American. It was quite clear, okay, that he hated Americans, but now he wonders. He wonders that why did he save him? What was the reason? What was the cause that pushed him to treat him so well? What was there that he operated the man in his home all alone? And what was the solid reason over there that he could not let him to die? He was just absorbed or pondering over in such thoughts. So here we can conclude that there is always a word beyond all the reasons that runs on pure emotions and unconditional love and care. And this is the reason that propels us, that push us towards to do good and have good. I hope the chapter is clear to you. So in my next video, I will discuss some question answers and vocab part. Thank you soon.